Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, backup camera, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.